Hey everybody, Kismet back here with another unboxing. One day, my daughter announced to me that she was going to exclusively use paper straws instead of plastic straws. This one. After she announced this, I was surprised and had to admit I never even heard of paper straws. So let's go ahead and check out what are paper straws, what kinds are there, why use paper straws versus plastic straws, where to find them, and how we can all be a little bit more eco-friendly. Now, my first step was to look up online who makes the best paper straws. And I noticed this company, Aardvark, showed up at the top of the list. Now, this is a funny thing and made me laugh because I often tease my oldest daughter that I was going to name her Aardvark instead of her real name. I even recently bought her some Aardvark socks as a running joke. Now, that's some cosmic level funny irony, or maybe just fate stepping in there. So I contacted Aardvark, and they agreed to send me out some paper straws to unbox and test out. Now remember, everything you see in this video will be linked in the description down below. Now while you're down there, hit that like button as well. Now paper straws are made from paper, adhesives, and in some cases waxes and or inks. The quality of both the paper and the adhesive is very important to the quality of the finished paper straw. In the case of Aardvark's paper straws, they use food-grade approved paper and non-toxic inks. Now, the biggest issue I've seen with paper straws is sometimes they get soft and soggy only after a short time. These straws are really durable, strong, and long-lasting. I love these jumbo straws, great for shakes and trying to get those chunks of strawberry that doesn't go through those tinier straws. These EcoFlex straws are really neat. They're like bendy paper straws. Oh man, now that's cool. They also have giant straws, bubble tea straws, and even custom straws, which is great if you own a business, a restaurant, also at amusement parks. Plus they have straws for parties and events, so you can be eco-conscious and have a fun time. Now let's get into why to use paper straws versus plastic straws. Plastic straws are one of the top 10 debris items from humans that cause harm to wildlife, marine animals, and affect the health of our oceans. Some counties and cities have banned the use of plastic straws, including businesses like restaurants and amusement parks. Paper straws are not going to last forever. And that's the point. Being made of paper, they naturally degrade in the oceans, rivers, and lakes, and are safe for marine life. They are biodegradable and compost-friendly. Plastic straws can take up to 200 years. Yes, I said 200 years. Especially nice features of these straws by Aardvark, that they're reef and ocean friendly, durable, friendly to the environment, 100% made in the USA, fun, colorful, and gluten-free. Now for the ultimate test. Which one would my daughters like to try first? That's a thumbs up. You might be wondering, Kismet, where do I buy paper straws? I was surprised to find they're all over the place. They're at Party City, Walmart, Amazon, and you can even get straws for home and parties directly from Aardvark's website at aardvarkstraws.com. I invite all of you to be inspired, just like I was from my daughter, to be more eco-friendly by encouraging restaurants, businesses, and even your peers to use paper straws. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everybody, Kismet here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right in the center of the screen. Also check me out live on twitch.tv/Kismet. I'll see you all next time.